We're all fired up here at Kincaid Auction because we have a great collection of custom motorcycles for sale. You better have some experience when you jump on this one because she'll get away from you. This show quality bike features a very nice custom paint job. All of these bikes are being offered on our website, kincaid.com, for all of the details about how you can register to bid for them, get the information on them. Look at this beautiful custom-made green bike with a Harley engine. This one here features a Paco frame, and it is a great S&S custom engine too. Need an easy way to transport your bike on the back of a truck or a motorhome? Check out the Overbilt lift.